Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, aki hospital bahedo India but shabarni. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka barek, but pila banleg ban kuli da ka education loan, pila aruban chukola ho number, kandai nyo, sao, san riu pranot, lani, kandai pran riu license, arn riu kandai pra.
Uba Rangansai Kharbuli, Uba Long U Executive Member Jongka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Uba Pe Yakatna Trade but Water Resources, Haga Kharwaitari Ujumang Arjar Arpulai, Ulayato Baga District Council, Kansaphat Raka Show Cause Notice, Shau Paul Lee Young, Namar Katkum Kahukum Jonga Ying Bishar Meghalaya High Court, Kaba Ulapha Shaka Council, Kalakado Ba Udon Yaka Jinglai Lot, Ban Aiwa Yaki Dukan, Tamba Uday Ban Bur Renti Pat Yaki Jingpenya Jonga Council, Bat Baki Barjala Ki Bashong Dukan Hapo Ki Dukan Ki Ba Aiwai, Ki Day Ban Don Yaka Trading License. Kumban Supen Gan Mau Hang ni Dangshen ka District Council ka bala penlong Yaka Jingkhanra Trading License, Hadukan Jong Upoli Yang, Ubala Pen Ban Pak Khang Yaki Dukan Jong Ki Nongshong Dukan Barjala, Hapo Ki Dukan Jong U.
Kum bakalong hadin mengilawan ban check Yaki Trading License Yaki Niki Sngi Baladan, Diladon Way Niki Torai Jong Way Dukan, Kabakerting ka Marbanyang Nichols Roy Building Bat Nagaliang Jong I Ilawan A yang court order Spoke office ke Jong I Bat hadin bangila Pek yang ke court order Niyo I baka onggumni the petitioner is at liberty to rent out the said 9 shop after complying with the requirement under the Khasi Hill District Trading by Non-Tribal Regulation 1954 to the non-tribal businessman. Namun kebapan I bagi itu kinong siong hapo ka building kijong U kin hap hiban le ya ka trading license. Dan nakaliang jong ka office ngin sa syoko asyaki bat la kim respond ngin sa issue wataka closure notice. Yes. Namun kat kung gani ko order kastan yang ihi ka district council bau no tribal ubale ya ka kai pateng apo ukut usam jong ka Khasi Hills District pun hap ya ka ban opti ya ka